Hello, in this presentation I'm going to do a quick review of mixed methods research with groups at risk, new developments, and key debates. In this article, kind of the purpose was trying to discuss how mixed methods research can be a boon to further advance and transform the transformation that social science seeks to develop, especially for at-risk populations. We see very often in our social sciences that we have been looking and studying at-risk populations, and social sciences kind of has a mixed track record on this. Like in some aspects, like we are out doing good and trying to improve the world around us, but we also at the same time in the not too distant past also produced eugenics that was the source of a ton of oppression and the deaths of millions of people. And so if we wish to move past this, mixed methods research is a way that we can actually affect good social change. So one of the talking points, or one of the main points here, is that we see that mixed methods can help create novel scientific knowledge that do not just progress in the diagnosis of the social problems, but which also inform policies or actions aimed at reversing them. And so that was in this Merton Martin's article. I think that it's very important that we see that mixed methods can really help advance social sciences, because we are not just trying to say that have descriptions of the world around us, but also how we can make it better. For too long, especially in our social sciences and other sciences at large, we have systemic racism and colonialism that has put researchers on a pedestal. And now we need to have better involvement with those that are research, in fact using having those being research being co-authors and co-researchers, and also have them be able to be involved in this data generation process, and that no longer should these experts be elevated above those who are being researched. And in this way that we can use this to become a tool for social justice and to be an asset for at-risk populations. So the mixed methods can be this turning point, that not just in reporting, but also how change can be affected and transform the world. This article really talked about two main points, about both transforming the transformative nature that mixed methods research can be in the social sciences, approaching these issues from both a quantitative and a qualitative stance, but also the importance of having better involvement of those being researched, so that we do not become colonial once again. Instead of just seeing science as being produced by white men, that it can also be produced by many other people, and that those being researched are being directly involved with this generation of knowledge and data. It's very important to not become colonial again, and to be continually checking back with the studied communities, so that we can be forwarding research and data that can actually transform the world for better. And here is the citation. And that's my quick little review on mixed methods research with groups at risk. Thanks a lot.